Hello guys, so we have ordered a new laptop. It's a brand new laptop. In the very first sale we purchased it, and it's a Realme notebook or book, I don't know, Realme Book Prime. Am I right? Yeah, the earlier one, the very first product, very first laptop of Realme was Realme Book Slim, and this is second version, that is Realme Book Prime. And it is almost similar to the first one, only they have upgraded its processor and RAM to 16 GB, processor to latest generation H series i5. And let's see, and this is the smallest box I have ever received for a laptop. This is the box, and it is very small box actually. Number 16 GB RAM, 512 SSD, screen size 14 inch, 1.37 kg total weight. Then Intel i5, it is latest generation H series, I know from the specifications. GPU Intel Iris Xe graphics, and that's all. And I have ordered the blue color. This is the famous color green which they have launched new, but I thought I should go with a darker version, so that thank God they have given a data cable. They are not following Apple as of now. They are giving data cable. There must be, there is a charger also, and look at the charger, very small. This is a mobile level charger, and I have heard that we can charge mobiles as well using this charger. So single charger for charging mobile as well as laptop. You don't have to carry multiple chargers, so that's a good part. Okay, so it is type C to type C cable. I'll open it. You can see it's a type C to type C cable. That's good. So the different thing about this laptop is they have given a aspect ratio, that is 3:2 for the display. This is a 2K display, good keyboard, fingerprint scanner, good big touchpad. Okay, and you can see look at the thickness, so very thin already. They have removed the HDMI port. The HDMI port is not already there. They are following Apple in this case. They are reducing the number of ports, and we have to buy a separate dongle. I'll be buying that. And this is my MacBook Air. It is again same. This is the older version of MacBook Air. There is no HDMI port, and in this Realme Book they haven't provided HDMI port. So if I talk about the thickness, you can see almost same, right? MacBook Air is, I think, slimmer, but almost same. So look at this, and look at the size. So horizontally smaller than MacBook Air, and vertically, horizontally MacBook Air is bigger, and vertically if you see it is same, right? It doesn't open with a single hand, that I have already seen. The same situation was there in the Realme Book Slim. So let's turn it on. I am doubtful it will turn on without connecting a charger. So these days whatever laptop you buy, make sure you connect a charger, turn on the charging, then and then only the laptop will start. Don't get panic if it doesn't start. Okay, so look at this. This is a Realme charger, and this is MacBook Air charger. Again almost same, even smaller than the Apple charger, very small. You can look at it. I think the cable size should have been a longer one. It's small. Okay, so that is one complaint I have with this. Yeah, it's turned on. I hope it should be useful for my day-to-day usage, and I'll be making all my YouTube videos on this moving forward. And since the aspect ratio of this laptop is different than the usual one, so the aspect ratio of my videos will also change. The good part was Windows 11 experience, at least booting experience I am talking about. It's better than Windows 10. There is no that what was that Cortana thing which keep on speaking every now and then on every next screen while doing the boot up. So it's, I think, quiet and better. Show you the reflective logo I was talking about. Look at this Realme, it's reflective. So if I move this way, you might see it is reflective. Whenever you do the charging stuff, you'll see there is a light. You can charge from any of the port, either of the port, and you will get one LED indication in between. So you can see the screen is reflective. It looks more reflective when seen through a camera. In real life it doesn't create that much problem, but yeah, the screen is reflective for sure. If you have a light source behind you, then it will definitely create a problem while working on this laptop. Okay. Woohoo! So it started for the very first time, and let's see what all we can do. It is 0.9 megapixel and HD camera. Not that great, I must say, but okay for video conferencing. And why I'm saying that, yeah, you can look at this, and this is the setup. This is not the correct video to demonstrate display quality, because my earlier videos were not that, visually great. Content wise it was, but visually, so I'll do one thing. I'll play some song. So yeah, that was the sound quality. I can't include that in my video because it will give the copyright. It has bottom firing speakers. It would have been great if the speakers were on top, but anyways, it sounds good, audible, and if you have any conference or meeting or anything, you don't need to attach any headphones separately for the purpose of listening to it, or any Bluetooth speaker. This will do the job. Fine, that's it guys.